Thank you, Mr. Speaker. Mr. Speaker, on June 28th, America lost another hero, Army Lieutenant Colonel Roy Lynn Tisdale. Lieutenant Colonel Tisdale grew up in Alvin, Texas, and went to Texas A&M University, where he was a member of the Corps of Cadets. After graduating from Texas A&M in 1993, he was commissioned as an Army infantry officer. He served 2 full tours in Iraq, 2 full tours in Afghanistan, and made additional short visits to both theaters. At the time of his tragic death, Lieutenant Colonel Tisdale was commander of the 525th Brigade Special Troops Battalion, 525th Battlefield Surveillance Brigade, stationed in Fort Bragg, North Carolina. During his 19 years of service to our country, Lieutenant Colonel Tisdale earned many awards and recognitions. He earned the Bronze Star Medal, the Purple Heart, the Meritorious Service Medal, the Army Commendation Medal, the Army Achievement Medal, the Joint Military Unit Award, the National Defense Service Medal, the Meritorious Unit Citation, the Afghanistan Campaign Medal, the Iraq Campaign Medal, the Global War on Terrorism Service Medal, the Army Service Ribbon, the Overseas Service Ribbon, the NATO Medal, the Air Assault Badge, the Combat Infantryman Badge, the Expert Infantryman Badge, and Senior Parachutist Badge. On July 5th, the life of Colonel Tisdale was remembered at Central Baptist Church in Bryan, Texas, and he was later laid to rest at the Aggie Field of Honor in College Station, Texas. In response to the activities of an extremist group that protested American military funerals, over 600 college students and community members, a majority of them Texas Aggies, came together to form a maroon wall to prevent those protests from disrupting the funeral and burial. America should be proud of this community of patriotic and respectful Americans that came together to honor the service and sacrifice of Lieutenant Colonel Tisdale and to ensure that he was given the respect that he deserved. Our thoughts and prayers are with the family and friends of Army Lieutenant Colonel Roy Tisdale. He will forever be remembered as an outstanding soldier, husband, and father. We thank him and his family for their service and sacrifice for our country. His sacrifice reflects the words of Jesus in John 15:13. Greater love hath no man than this, that a man lay down his life for his friends. Continuing a distinguished heritage of military service for our country, Lieutenant Colonel Tisdale is the 27th Texas Aggie to die in service of our country since 9/11. He, like tens of thousands of Aggies before him, answered here when his country called. God bless our military men and women, and God bless America. Mr. Speaker,